Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys here. And don't forget that you gotta click subscribe. You gotta ding the bell so that when I make up my new videos and I post them, you guys will get the notification and you can come and watch them. Duh. So here we are doing a crochet install. I am doing my cornrows and I'm using a zigzag parting because I find that for certain styles it gives it more of a natural look where you don't have those straight lines, and so it looks as if you had individuals in your hair and it's just not clean. I didn't want the parting to be clean and crisp. I wanted it to be a little bit on the unorganized side just so that it gave it a more natural look. Just like if you were to take out your twist out and you kind of tease your roots, that kind of look. I wanted it to be just a tad bit messy. And this is also a continuation of my wash day video. So if you have not watched that, please go ahead and take a look at my wash day video. It's my last video that I posted before this one, and that will give you some deets on how I prepped my hair for this style. Wash day and your prepping of your protective styles are very important, and you need to make sure that you're going into any style with clean hair. Clean hair, clean scalp is imperative for the longevity of your style so that you can reduce as much itching and irritation while you have your style as possible, and we go from there. So I'm gonna continue braiding my hair, and I finished. Each braid has 2 braids attached, so I didn't do a lot of front braids because I didn't want it super full. I didn't want it super full at all in the front because I live in South Florida and it's hot, y'all. It's hot out here in these streets. So yeah, I did about 10 to 12 front braids, and that is perfect. That is enough hair. That's enough cornrows for the hair that you need. So I am using my Bohemian pop, and I use 2 pieces in the back and 1 piece in the front. So for all of the front cornrows, I only installed 1 piece per 1 strand per install. So as you can see, I'm only taking 1 piece. In the back half I did 2 because I wanted the back to be full, but I didn't want the front to be as full. And it didn't take long. It took me about 2 hours to install the whole thing, and to braid and install the whole thing. So it doesn't take long. It's a quick hairstyle. Keep it in for a few weeks. Do not forget to oil your scalp, and you can still wash your hair. I anticipated on going to the beach. I have a DC trip coming up, and look at that. I am done. You have different styling options. Thank you so much for watching.